Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamatya and today I'm going to review these two products from Vilva, and I have their cream face wash. It is the new launch. It is fragrance free, has the pH around 5 to 6, non-stripping, gentle. Then I have their body butter. Actually it's baby body butter. I bought this because I found the ingredients list to be helpful, and I need to share this story with you. I spoke to Bilva months back about their conditioner. There I requested them to make a fragrance free pH balanced cleanser, and they said that they are contemplating about this. I'm so happy to see this product, to be very honest, and I'm sure many others also requested the same, and I'm happy that brands are listening to us. Yay. So now let's start with the review. First, I'm going to talk about this cleanser. It has this palm packaging. It came with a cap as well. I lost it. I'm so sorry for that. Anyway, the texture is very creamy. Like I told you, this is fragrance free and claims to be gentle. So yeah, let's talk about the ingredients of this cleanser. It has very gentle surfactants. Actually, it has two surfactants, DCG and coco-glucoside. These are very mild and gentle surfactants. Then we have few emulsifiers. Emulsifiers allow water and all components to mix. Then we have glycerin, which is a very good humectant. Vilva claims that the star ingredients of this product are banana extract and wheat protein. But it is a wash-off product, so you won't get much benefits of this. This can maximum moisturize your skin a bit in a cleanser. After that, it has viscosity controller. Then it has two very mild preservatives, and Vilva claims that it has this pH from 5.5 to 5.8, and I have tested the pH. It actually has very good pH. True to Vilva's claim, similar to our skin's normal pH. This cleanser doesn't have any artificial fragrance or essential oils, but it smells like a mixture of banana and cardamom. They have used cardamom extract. It is not that skin friendly, and I think they have used this as a masking agent. Anyway, the cleanser actually feels gentle on my skin. It foams a bit. If you have used Neutrogena cleanser or Moe cleanser, those cleansers don't foam at all, but this one does. It feels gentle on my skin, cleanses my skin well, doesn't feel stripping. It is good. So I really like this cleanser, and I do recommend this to you. If you have dry skin, normal skin, even for oily skin it might work during winter. During summer it might be too much, but if you have a cleanser that is already working for you, then you don't have to try this one or any other new cleansers, to be very honest, because cleansers are very basic. If it is working for you, you don't need to experiment with other products. And for me, I really do like this thing, and I think I'm going to use this for a while, and ingredients are good. This is kind of affordable, and yeah, this is a good product. Up next I have their body butter. This is their Calendula baby body butter. I know I'm not a baby but I like the ingredients, so I got this one. It mostly has butters, few oils, and vitamin E, natural vitamin E as they said. I truly love the packaging. This is very good. I love Vilva's packaging, by the way. So anyway, I do not like the texture though. It is very heavy. I don't think you can wear it outside in the morning. You have to use this at night if you want to. Maybe this product is made for babies. This is the reason. To be very honest, I don't like the texture at all. It is very difficult to work with, the texture. It is like shea butter. Actually, shea butter melts easily than this one. This is very difficult to work with. The ingredients are nice, so no, I don't think I'm gonna recommend this. I'm not gonna buy this again, to be very honest. I think it's my mistake. I got a baby's product. That's why the texture is not working for me. I have been using this product on my neck as a hand cream, that's it. And I might use this as hair mask as well, because I need to finish this one. Even I'm using this as lip butter, but I don't like this much. Ingredients wise it is very good, but the texture wise not a big fan of this thing. So that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this, and see you very soon. Bye bye.